Hello, our wonderful scholars. I welcome you back to Divine Offspring Virtual Classroom. Today on Science, we shall study force. Today you will learn what force means. We will also explore together the common types and effects of forces. But before we jump right into the lesson, get your writing materials. Then, look for a quiet place in your home to study, as we will need your maximum concentration. The star words for today are force, gravity, contact, acceleration, and electrostatic. We have a short quiz for you to attempt before we begin today's lesson. Pause the video to answer the questions. Once you're done, hit the play button to continue. I hope you have all your answers now. Okay, let's check. Our answers are here. Did you get all your answers correctly? Good. Well done. We have some facts on force for you. A force is either a push or a pull. A force can make something start to move, slow down, or speed up. A force can change the direction, shape, or size of things. The bigger the force, the more powerful it is. The wind is an example of a force. A force is anything that can push or pull an object. A force is required to carry out tasks or perform activities. In order to generate a force, we need energy. Types of force. Basically, there are two types of force. We have the contact force. Under the contact force, we have the muscular force. Here we have a man having a contact with the weight. We also have the mechanical force. The boy shown in the picture has a contact with the lever he's using to pull up the water. Frictional force. The boy has a contact with the skates. You can see the legs of the boy are on the skates. The second type of force is the non-contact force. We have the gravitational force, which is the force due to gravity. We also have the electrostatic force. And lastly, there is the magnetic force. That is the force which works on magnets. A force has different effects on objects. It can stop a moving body or slow it down. As shown in the picture, the ball traveling at a high speed was stopped by the force applied by the goalkeeper. When a body is at rest, force can make it move. For example, the man pulled up the weight resting on the floor to his shoulders. Force can also change the direction of a moving body along with its shape and size. The man in the picture hit the ball with a force to change the ball's direction. You can see the direction of the ball. Moves from here, touches the surface, and then bounces off. All this happened due to force. Now it's time to summarize today's lesson. A force is anything that can push or pull an object. A force is required to do work. The two types of forces are the contact force and non-contact force. A force has different effects on objects. Now it's time for you to answer some questions. What is force? Write two examples each of contact force and non-contact force. Then list two effects of force on objects. And that will be all for today. I'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.